President of Northern Youth gives Nigerian activist Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan, 48 hours ultimatum to apologize to Sultan of Sokoto for calling his leader out over his remark about social media being a terrorist organization.
My name is Ambassador Abdul Dambature, the President of Northern Nigerian Youth. I want to quickly call the attention of VeryDarkMan based on the comment he did against our father, our royal leader, the Sultan of Sokoto. We want VeryDarkMan should quickly withdraw his statement and apologize to the Sultan of Sokoto. And we, the Northern Nigerian, we are giving VeryDarkMan 48 hours for him to do that. Thank you very much.
It will be recalled that the Sultan of Sokoto, Muhammad Saad Abubakar, had labeled social media a terrorist organization, emphasizing that government ought to deal with it.
What happened has happened, and it's there written. You can't come and be through social media, but that's one terrorist organization, social media. Social media is a terrorist organization. What they do, they put somebody in his comfort room and formulate stories, and you will swear that it's true. So, social media is a terrorist organization that we must deal with. Security agencies must deal with this terrorist organization called social media. So we're not happy with what's been happening either on the plateau or other places.
In reaction to this, VeryDarkMan had opposed the idea by pointing out how others have used social media to do good. While kicking against the idea of regulation social media, he described the Sultan as being emotional and opined his experience with social media shouldn't make him not see the good.
So basically now, he has started a campaign against social media. That's just the start of a campaign against social media. If you remember, they're already pushing for a bill that was led by Ned Nwoko. I saw it online. Led by Ned Nwoko, that social media should be regulated. So now this man don't join in voice as the Sultan of Sokoto. They are slowly strengthening it. So they are moving towards regulating social media. Now, sir, I want to understand that because of your reason you gave, that somebody can just sit down inside his house and make a publication, a false publication, and then that is injurious. Yes, you are right on that part. A lot of people take advantage of social media. But if that is your reason for calling social media a terrorist organization, then I would say you are emotional. You know, I would just say Nigerians should not be angry because our father just spoke out of emotions.
The president of Arewa Youth has called on the activist VeryDarkMan to apologize to the Sultan for his statement. He emphasized that they are giving him only 48 hours to do so. While this has generated mixed reactions online, what do you feel regarding the deadline given to VeryDarkMan? We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos, and ensure you drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNewsTV.